One of these gadgets can warn you before a small, everyday mistake turns into a costly one. We found 5 smart Amazon problem solvers for the things you lose, forget, or simply cannot watch every second. And the final pick tracks 2 temperatures while you relax. Subscribe for more useful finds, and check the links below if something fits your routine. Let's get into it. Losing years of photos because a phone fails is the kind of lesson nobody wants to learn once. The ThePhotoStick Omni gives you 128 gigabytes of local backup space and works across iPhone, Android, Windows, and Mac using its connector system and free companion app. It searches for photos and videos, then copies them to the drive without making a cloud subscription your only safety net. It is a simple option for family archives spread across several devices. Back up the memories now, before a broken screen makes the decision for you. Sometimes the smartest tracker is the one that does not need a phone, account, or app. The Reyke Key Finder pairs one large RF remote with 4 color-coded receivers for keys, remotes, bags, or anything else that disappears around the house. Press the matching button and the receiver delivers an 80 decibel plus alert with an LED, with a claimed open range up to 131 feet. Batteries, key rings, and adhesive pads are included. For anyone who wants immediate, uncomplicated finding, this is refreshingly direct. Knowing where a vehicle is can matter long before it is officially missing. Bouncie plugs into the car's OBD2 port and adds live GPS location, trip history, route details, geozone alerts, speed monitoring, and driving event notifications through its app and browser access. It can also surface vehicle diagnostics and let trusted users share access. The important catch is that every active device requires a paid monthly data subscription. For a family car or small fleet, that ongoing cost buys a much clearer picture of where the vehicle goes and how it is driven. A tracker only helps if it is slim enough to stay with the thing you keep losing. This BFADEHA wallet card works with Apple's Find My app, sliding into a card slot while giving iPhone users left-behind alerts, map-based locating, and an audible ring rated between 80 and 100 decibels. There is no separate tracking app to manage, but Android is not supported. The card format also avoids the bulky bump of a round tag inside a wallet. It turns the item you check for most into something your phone can help you recover. Perfect timing is difficult when the most important temperature is hidden inside the food. Meter Plus uses a fully wireless probe with dual sensors to monitor internal meat temperature up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit and ambient cooker temperature up to 527. Its bamboo charging dock extends Bluetooth range up to 165 feet in open conditions, while the app provides guided cooking, custom alerts, and an estimate for cooking and resting time. Obstacles and thick cookers can reduce that range, but the payoff remains excellent. You can stop hovering over the grill and still know when dinner is ready. Which of these 5 gadgets would remove the biggest annoyance from your day? Tell us in the comments. Then, like the video, subscribe to FlexiViews, and tap the notification bell for more practical finds. All 5 product links are waiting below. Pack smart, stay flexible. See you in the next one.